Hi guys, this is the Field Tricks for 7684, the Lizard Edition. Here we go. Inside teammates and grinders, me, Monster Jam, Top Dog. Inside of Earthshaker and Thunder 4x4. Made his debut. The person, a big fat beer. Bat? Big fat bear butt. Okay, makes more sense. Okay. Big fat bear butt is an Earthshaker and Thunder 4x4. Inside background Dragonoid and Dragon Eyes. The defending champion, Monster Jam Freaks. Remember, he wanted Crustacean last time, but he didn't want that. He wanted background Dragonoid. Inside the debuting truck Stinger, and his teammate X-Ray Gunslinger is Ishikobi. Inside Bounty Hunter and Red Max D, Miss Gamer. Okay, and then. Okay, this is time for the Cult of Darkness. Someone interrupts me. Sit down. Lay down, Lucky. Scrap. You got X-Ray Barbarian and Hound Holler. Go Maximus. You got Medusa and Zombie Rex. Jack the Reaper, I think that's pronounced it. You got Aftershock and Graveyard Fire. Dribber. You got Zombie and Social Squad. The reason why I give you Zombie because no offense to them, but I can't really understand you and zombies and kind of talk like that, so. Randy Orton. Tell me how to pronounce that. Please, I pronounced your last name correct. You got Metal Militia and Alien Invasion. Sorry, bit my tongue. And my leader, Cookie Monster. Got the Defend Champion, Crustacean, and Mohawk Warrior. Hopefully, one member of the Cult of Darkness will make it to the semis with me in it, and we will win. And the whole event might be uploaded later today. You'll find out. I'll see you guys later. Bye.